Hey guys, Jaron Craig here and welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode we're going to show you how to buy Pink Panda token using your Metamask wallet. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all I'll start off by saying Metamask has a few extra steps in the beginning to get set up for Bsc token purchasing. The first being you'll have to manually set up the Bsc Mainnet network to the MetaMask so that you can access PancakeSwap, etc., etc. I'll put the link to that in the description. I have a video that shows you how to do that. Also, you're going to have to get BNB in this wallet either by using Binance.us or some other exchange. I also have a video for that. I'll put both those videos in the description so you can get set all up. After you did all that, you just go up to the hamburger button in the top left corner, click your browser, go to exchange.pancakeswap.finance. It'll take you to this screen. Click select a currency, paste the Pink Panda contract address. I'll put the contract address in the description, and then import it. I already have it, so I'll just click on it. Then you put the desired amount. In there. Then over here in this little toggle button here, you put in between 10 and 13%. I'll put 12% slippage. Click swap. Confirm swap. For the gas, they suggest that you put it up to at least 10 because the Bsc is kind of congested normally. So confirm it. Make sure you add Pink Panda to your MetaMask so it shows up in your wallet. That'll skip the manually adding stage. And it looks like it's all successfully swapped. You can check here if it's loading slow. You can see all your recent transactions. We're going to go and confirm it. Go back to your wallet, scroll down, and it looks like the Pink Panda is added to my MetaMask wallet. If you liked this video and thought it was informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to join the Pink Panda Telegram. Thank you, and have a good day.